Hi, this is Lakshmi. Today I'm going to explain you about how to create a step drill down report by using a SSRS report. So now what I'm going to do is I have a table like student information table in which I have student ID, student name and student branch. And in the previous video I have explained you how to create a step report by using this wizard. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to group up the student information depending upon the student branch, that is EIE and IT branch. So this is like a stepped drill down report. This is how it's going to look like first. So this plus are drill down. If we click this plus mark, the details will be shown over here, and again CIT information is shown here. Like this is how in step report drill down report is how it is going to be created, that I am going to explain you now. So for that I am going to create a new file, new project. It's a report server project wizard, and next, and this is I'm going to name as stepped drill down 1. So step drill down 1, the name of the solution, and here what I'm going to do is I'm going to first connect my server. Like what is my server name, and as mine here is SQL server authentication, I'm going to give the user ID and password and the database. So hit OK, then next OK, and again I'm going to give my user ID and password. So here what I'm going to give is from which table I'm going to get the report. Select star from student information table. So this is the table query I'm going to use it. Here I'm going to use the tabular one, and then what I'm going to give is grouping. Like I want a branch wise group. So and details I'm going to give like ID and name. So next I'm going to select. Here what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the step one, and there this block report I'll explain you in later videos. And here what I'm going to do is this is a step report, and here if you select enable drill down, this drill down option will be shown, will be getting. So hit OK and preview report, hit OK and finish. So if you see here, if we come over here, how it's going to look is that drill down will be shown over here. So this is how the report going to see. In the here we can see this plus mark. So if we click this plus, we are going to show like what is the branch and how many like what are the student names and the student IDs. So this is how this drill down works. Here plus and minus symbol, if you we can show it. Like if you want to change any in the design, if you go and check this design, we can change the design look and feel also for this particular report. So here student name, student branch, and I'm going to align them for the center one. Okay, center. And the font also you can increase the font to like what will be the font, and the border also what is the border, and where if you want we can select the border of that one. Okay, so like this we can change this. See, the font has been increased. If you go and see the view, we can change, we can see those changes what we have done over that. So this is the student ID. See, the font of that has been increased, and this is how like what are the changes what we can do is we can do those changes actually. So here with this is a simple example in which this stepper report with drill down report has been done over here. If you like my video, please subscribe and share my video. Thank you for listening.